Okay. Okay, sister. If I say huwa akfaru, huma akfarani, hum akfarun, do you think it is sifatu mushabba or not?
أكفر. What does that mean, sir?
It is
كفر.
from kufr.
Yeah, كفر. الكفر. Okay. أكفر.
Yes, your mashallah, you can answer me. And brother can answer me as well. Alhamdulillah. At the moment,
So the question is it اسم تفضيل or اسم مشبه?
yes, what is it?
هو أكفر.
هو أكفر. I'm saying هو أكفر. هما أكفراني.
هو أكفر.
هم أكفرون.
I would say it's اسم مشبه, is it?
Yes, it is اسم مشبه. So what is the master of أكفر? Good. What is
الكفر.
Al-Kufru. Now, if you want to make a siga of ism tafzil, what did I tell you? How you're going to form it? Try and form it.
اسم تفضيل. Okay.
Hurry up, sister. Otherwise, brother Ayman is raising his hand. I don't know whether he is or not, but I'm saying.
Yes, he can answer if he wants. اسم تفضيل. It would be هو.
Sister, I told you we have to add either ashaddu or akbaru or adamu.
I'm not getting this, sir. I'm not understanding. Ashaddu. I really am not understanding.
Try, Ustad?
Yes, try it.
So you'll use ashaddu akfaru, ashaddu akfarani, ashaddu akfaruna. That way.
What is the masdar? No, akfaru is the siga or the scales of sifatu mushabba. And now on that scale, ism tafzil cannot come from Sulathi Mujarrad of the same chapter. Did you understand this thing?
Yes.
Now, if you want to make ism tafzil from the same chapter, we have to bring ashaddu before the masdar. And masdar is what? Al-kufru.
Oh, ashaddu al-kufru.
Ashaddu kufra or kufran or kufrun. You understand?
Okay.
Let me recite the verse from the Quran, that is At-Tawbatu, and that is chapter number 9, and the verse number that is 97. It starts, okay? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. الأعراب أشد كفرا ونفاقا means nifaq, like anfaqu, anfaqani, anfaquna. That also comes. That is what? Sifatu mushabba. When we want to make ismu tafzil, we are supposed to bring ashaddu before the masdar, like ashaddu nifaqa. Do you understand?
So we have to bring the word ashaddu.
Yes, I was saying that we have to place word ashaddu before the masdar. Okay. Now repeat it, please. Repeat both of the words. Repeat it. What did I say?
So you put ashaddu, a'zamu, or akbaru before masdar. For example,
open the Mus'haf, the glorious Quran, chapter number 9, and the verse number 97 from very start. Go through that. Come to that.
It's loading, just a second. 97 أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم الأعراب أشد كفرا
And again, I mean, go ahead.
ونفاقا
وَنِفَاقًا.
وأجدر.
Right? So there are two masadir. Kufran
جي
and nifaqan.
جي.
You understand? Now you differentiate both sifatu mushabba and ismu tafzil. I said if ismu tafzil, because ismu tafzil comes on the scales of af'alu. Do you remember? But if
جي
sifatu mushabba comes on the scales of af'alu from thalathi mujarrad, now the siga of ismu tafzil cannot come on the scales of af'alu. To make ismu tafzil, we have to bring ashaddu and bring the master of that word, like ashaddu kufra, ashaddu nifaqa. Is that clear now?
جي. So Ustad, you'll use it only once. For example, here it's ashaddu kufran wa nifaqan. So
It is
you'll
because
use it
of
once
this wow ataf is over there. We haven't learned about wow atifa that connects like conjunction. If we want to talk about both of them separately, ashaddu kufra, ashaddu nifaqa. Do you understand now?
Ji.
Means is stronger in kufr and nifaq from others. We are giving the meaning of tafzil, comparison. Can you repeat it? Whatever I told you, can you repeat it?
Okay, so we discussed ashaddu kufra wa nifaqa. We said because it is coming on the same wazn, because the sifat, the ism tafdil is coming on the same wazn of af'alu, we cannot use it. We'll have to add ashaddu, aktharu, or a'zam, and then we'll put ism masdar
Very
to show
good.
it.
Sister, are you with us?
So I'm still struggling with this. So if from the ثلاثي مجرد a word comes in the اسم مشبه, is that correct?
صفة مشبه, sister.
صفة مشبه. Right, okay, I'm lost, sir.
Don't be lost, sister. We don't want to lose you.
Right, okay. Right, okay. Do you want to just go through the rules again, sir?
I'll go through. Okay, do you have you opened Masaf?
No, I haven't, sir.
Okay, no issues. Okay, brother, come to verse number 69 of the same surah, chapter number 9.
Ji.
69.
Ji.
كالذين من قبلكم كانوا أشد منكم قوة وأكثر أموالا وأولادا. Do you understand?
Ji.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Okay, I'm coming back to this, and inshallah we'll be going through. This verse has a lot in its meaning. Okay. The point I was making, sister and brother, the point was this, that when we talk about Sifatul Mushabba, because it has ozan or scales on the scales of af'alu, like just we have gone through, this was an ahmaru. It is from hamira. Hamira is sulathi mujarrad, maqsurul ayn, and Sifatul Mushabba comes. And we have learned the conditions, how we can understand the meaning of Sifatul Mushabba. There are three conditions, and we have discussed in detail. Now, because Ismu Tafzil also comes on the scales of Af'alu. Now, if Sifatul Mushabba also comes from Thalathi Mujarrad on the same scale of Af'alu, now if we want to form if we want to drive, if we want to create a siga of ismu tafsil from the same chapter of Thalathi Mujarrad, now what should we do? We learned that in that way we have to either add ashaddu or akbaru or aktharu or azamu before the masdar of that chapter. Like we have just gone through the example from the Quran, from the verses of Quran, that is of Surah At-Tawbah, and that was ashaddu kufra, like akfaru, akfarani, akfarun. If it is sifatu mushabah, definitely it is. And now you want to bring ismu tafsil. So Allah Almighty has used ashaddu kufra. And also for nifaq, anfaqu, anfaqani, anfaquna. That is the meaning of nifaq. If sifatu mushabba is on the scale of anfaq wa fa'alu, then to make it ism tafsil, we have to bring ashaddu before the masdar. Now the nifaq is masdar of naf, means of anfaqu. So it will be ashaddu nifaqa. Mal, amwala, ashaddu amwala, ashaddu awlada, aktharu awlada, annaru ashaddu harra, harra harira, from harira, harra. Okay. So ashaddu, when it is going to be brought before the masdar of the same chapter, that will convey the sense of ismu tafsil. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think we have done some concepts, and I want you to go through the examples, go for your research, find out more examples from the verses of Quran, go through this complete handout, inshallah. And we are going to meet tomorrow again with the grace of Allah Almighty, and also day after tomorrow. And because sister will be traveling on Saturday and Sunday, so we won't be having classes. And then we'll start resume from next week, inshallah. So till then, inshallah, keep working hard and keep praying that may Allah Almighty increase in our ilm and amal, and also uh, give us more tawfiq for understanding and learning the language of Quran. So till then, inshallah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikum salam.
Alaikum salam.